In the business report, revenues at Jamaica's two main international airports declined during the first quarter of the year, largely due to the impact of Hurricane Melissa. The airports Sangster International and Norman Manley International recorded a combined drop of just over $8 million. Earnings from flight operations fell by more than $6 million, while revenue from food concessions also declined. The downturn has been linked to reduced passenger traffic, with Sangster International Airport recording a sharp fall in arrivals, while Norman Manley International Airport also saw a slight decline. Officials note to RGR News that these figures do not yet reflect the potential impact of current tensions in the Middle East, which began late February. The drop in passenger numbers highlights continued challenges facing the tourism and aviation sectors in the wake of recent disruptions. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica says it's currently conducting an island-wide counting and recording of basic information on all residential dwellings. Statin added that the current exercise is important because after the completion of a population census, new houses are built, people relocate, and the structure of communities change. The agency also says the capturing of these changes is important to the updating of its database, while adding that it helps to build a strong, accurate foundation for planning and delivering the public goods and services that the population will need in the future. Let's hear what's happening in the stock exchange and forex market from Denise Williams.
For the trading period of April 28, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 4,308,516 units, representing 26.51% of market sales activities. Kentire Holdings Jamaica Limited with 2,873,737 units, representing 17.68% of market sales activities. Woodcats International Limited with 891,932 units, representing 5.49% of market sales activities. Investor activity remained concentrated in transportation and distribution plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for April 28, 2026, forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. The US dollar had trading margins reflecting steady liquidity, with the US selling at $155.79 and buying at $157.97. The Canadian dollar had moderate gains supported by $1.24 transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $115.37 and was bought for $114.13. For the British pound, continued volatility offers short-term trading opportunities of $5.46 in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $212.99 and was bought for $207.53. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, retirement doesn't mean disengaging from your finances. If you're 70 or older, your credit report is no longer about building. It's about protecting, preserving, and staying flexible. So here's how to actively manage it. Well, first of all, you can keep access to cash when you need it. Don't assume you'll never need credit again just because you're in your 70s. Emergencies happen, medical costs, home repairs, and maybe even supporting family. So here's an action tip for you. Keep at least one active credit card or line of credit open. Use it lightly and pay it off consistently. This keeps your options alive without creating risk. And I also want you to actively guard against fraud. This is where the credit report matters the most at this stage of life. In your 70s, you're a prime target for identity theft. The action would be set up credit monitoring or alerts, check for unfamiliar accounts or activity, and freeze your credit if you're not applying for anything. So we want you to simplify, not abandon, because complex financial structure create risk. So we want you to reduce the number of accounts you manage, avoid co-signing loans, and keep balances low and predictable. The bottom line is at 70, your credit report is no longer a growth tool. It's a defensive asset. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing clarity to capital markets and strategy. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.